Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter D, uppercase D and lowercase d. Uppercase D and lowercase d. D is for dog. Okay kids? D is for dog. D is for duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Okay? D is for doll. D-O-L-L, doll. D is for dolphin. Dolphin, dolphin. D is for dog, D is for duck, D is for doll, D is for dolphin. Let's write. Standing line, a big curved line. This is letter D, uppercase D. Standing line and a small curved line. This is letter D, small d. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.